Welcome to our party. Oh, that's the word to the party. Whakalawhalaeatu kia mutulusi. Koku konililawai. Welcome to our New Year celebration. Let's go.
Whakalawhalaeatu. Whakalawhalaeatu. Whakalawhalaeatu.
Celebration. Constitution is when Newer and New Zealand made a connection. Constitution is a hard word to say. I'm gonna ask my papa what Constitution is.
Koe tuanga he pure whamotu, hahaya e tonuhia ke he tau tangata niwe, ke tau sini e lotoro to whirianga wha politika. Kai kilalo i whamaweheanga mo New Zealand, matutaki hanu sela, a tau langamatai whaki ke he tau tupe, pia whoki ke he tau langamatai ke tau mtanga hua, he hata tōrua motu. Si tō tahe monue na hakoe sianga ke he whakatokatonga nei, mai matutakianga he tau momui, he tau tangata niwe. Wale maki.
Constitution is pule whakamutu. That's still a hard word to say. Ooh, this party's fancy. When you go to a New Year party, you have to smile, mali mali. You also need one of these at Palio. Check out some of our talents.
Manu! Manu! Manu Dala!
Zach Takalo. Next one is a dame. This is the Mickey. Want to see some cool dance moves? Starting the party without me.
Whakalawhalaeatu. 1, 2, 3.
That's right.
Niue Constitution is celebrating our Niue culture and also celebrating the day we became an independent country. Yeah.